The incredible evolution of sharks, from ancient predators to modern survivors. Sharks, the ancient rulers of the seas. For over 400 million years, these incredible predators have evolved, adapted, and survived through some of Earth's most dramatic events. From outlasting mass extinctions to adapting to new prey, sharks have become one of the most remarkable creatures on the planet. But how did they evolve? What were the forces that shaped them into the perfect hunters we know today? And what does the future hold for these iconic marine animals? Origins of sharks, the early ancestors. Our journey begins over 400 million years ago, long before dinosaurs roamed the earth. The first sharks evolved during the Devonian period, often called the Age of Fishes. These early sharks looked quite different from the ones we see today. One of the oldest known species, Cladocelosh, had a streamlined body and a smooth skin covered in tiny, tooth-like scales. These early ancestors laid the foundation for what would eventually become one of the ocean's top predators. Unlike modern sharks, these ancient sharks had smooth scales and lacked the large, sharp teeth we associate with sharks today. Yet they were highly effective hunters, capable of chasing down their prey with speed and precision. The rise of modern sharks, the Carboniferous period. As the Earth changed, so did sharks. During the Carboniferous period, about 360 million years ago, a major shift occurred. Sharks began to diversify, adapting to a variety of environments. The seas were teeming with life, and sharks had to compete with other marine creatures for survival. During this time, we see the emergence of species like Stethocanthus, a strange shark with a fin that resembled an anvil. These sharks also developed stronger, more serrated teeth to handle tougher prey. It's around this period that the unique body structures of sharks, their powerful jaws, flexible skeletons, and sharp teeth began to take shape. The evolution of their jaws is one of the most significant adaptations in shark evolution. Sharks developed a specialized jaw structure that allowed them to bite with incredible force, enabling them to tear into their prey with ease. Surviving mass extinctions, the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods. One of the most impressive aspects of shark evolution is their ability to survive through multiple mass extinction events. During the end of the Permian period, approximately 250 million years ago, Earth faced the largest extinction event in its history. Over 90% of marine species were wiped out. Yet sharks, with their remarkable ability to adapt, survived. In the following periods, like the Jurassic and Cretaceous, sharks continued to diversify and evolve. Species like Hybotis dominated the seas during the time of the dinosaurs. Their ability to adapt to changing ocean conditions, new prey, and predators allowed sharks to continue their reign in the oceans. Despite the meteor that wiped out the dinosaurs 65 million years ago, sharks thrived. Why? Because they were able to quickly adapt to new environments and food sources. Their evolutionary flexibility ensured their survival even as other species vanished. The evolution of iconic species, Megalodon and modern sharks. Perhaps the most famous ancient shark is the Megalodon, which roamed the oceans about 23 to 3.6 million years ago. This colossal predator, measuring up to 60 feet long, was the largest shark to ever exist. Its massive jaws could crush bones with ease, and it preyed on large marine mammals such as whales. However, as the climate cooled and ocean conditions changed, the Megalodon disappeared. Despite their dominance, environmental changes were too much for these giants. But while the Megalodon vanished, many of their smaller relatives adapted and evolved into the sharks we know today. Modern sharks, like the great white, hammerhead, and whale shark, all share a lineage that traces back millions of years. They have perfected their hunting techniques, adapted to different marine environments, and continue to play a critical role in ocean ecosystems. Sharks today, facing new challenges. Today, sharks face their biggest threat yet, humans. Overfishing, habitat destruction, and climate change have drastically reduced shark populations. An estimated 100 million sharks are killed each year, primarily for their fins. Many species are now endangered. But there is hope. Conservation efforts around the world are working to protect sharks and their habitats. Marine reserves, sustainable fishing practices, and public awareness campaigns are slowly turning the tide. Sharks are more than just predators. They are vital to the health of our oceans. The future of shark evolution. So what does the future hold for sharks? As ocean environments continue to change due to global warming and human impact, sharks will need to evolve again. Some scientists speculate that sharks may develop new hunting techniques or even change their physical appearance to adapt to rising ocean temperatures and acidification. While it's impossible to predict exactly how sharks will evolve, one thing is certain: their ability to adapt has kept them at the top of the food chain for millions of years. With continued conservation efforts, these ancient survivors may continue to swim our oceans for millions more. Sharks have been here for over 400 million years. Their story is one of resilience, adaptation, and survival. It's up to us to ensure that sharks continue to thrive in the future.
Please like and subscribe to motivate us to create more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.